Welcome to Culture and Cognition program. My name is Taka Masuda, a psychologist. The issues of culture and psychology are some of the most important topics in social sciences in 21st century. Cultural psychologists have so far investigated systematic cultural variations in attention, perception, cognition, emotion, and motivation. Our laboratory are very much interested in further investigate nuanced cultural variation in these psychological processes across many countries, which includes Mongolia, Japan, South Korea, and then North America.
So our lab has about 20 members that include grad students, honors students, independent study students, paid research assistants, and volunteers that all have diverse research interests that ultimately are related to the main topic of culture. So every Friday we meet for about an hour or so to do a variety of things like discuss research ideas, present our research findings, so on and so forth. In addition to these general meetings, our lab is divided into about 5 or 6 groups that conduct their own individual projects, and each group covers their own unique research topic. So currently we have 6 projects in the lab, and these are the animation project, the emotion project, the game project, the Mongolian project, the sports project, and the stress project.
My name is Hua. I'm the coordinator of animation teams. The responsibility of our team will be a little bit less theoretical and more practical in 2020. JavaScript entered the service, which has negative impact on our stimulus which code in JavaScript. So the main responsibility of our team is to help the lab achieve the digital transition from JavaScript to HTML5. At the same time, they're creating a user-friendly interface in order to help to facilitate the consistency of the research procedure on the international level. Our most recent work, Animal Animation, is planned to roll out this March and have been included as a part of the short grant applications.
My name is Leah, and I'm in my final year of the Honors Psychology program, and I'm also leading the stress project in the Culture and Cognition lab. To expand further research on cultural differences in stress coping in response to general stressful situations, the Stress Lab is investigating cultural differences in the ways individuals cope with threats to their body image. If not coped with effectively, threats to body image can cause potentially damaging psychological and physical health effects. To extend past this research, we decided to also investigate how individuals in Eastern versus Western cultures cope with threats to their body image. If these threats aren't coped with effectively, it can lead to potentially detrimental psychological and physical effects.
The game team is interested in cultural preferences for promotion and prevention orientations. The promotion orientation is the motivation to achieve a positive outcome, whereas the prevention orientation is the motivation to avoid a negative outcome. We are currently developing a tower defense game to see if different cultural groups lean towards one orientation more than the other. In this game, the participants' tower is under attack from 3 different directions. Participants are tasked with strategically placing turrets around their base to defend from this attack. We are looking at the differences in turret placements between cultural groups to infer whether the participants' goal was to eliminate as many enemies as possible or to minimize the damage taken by their tower.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuto Yasuda, a PhD student at the UofA. Our group, which is a sports group, try to figure out cultural variations in sports athletes' psychological processes, specifically for performance enhancement and mental health. We hope this line of research is significant as sports psychologists in general try to create one-fits-all intervention for performance enhancement and mental health. So that's why the effect of culture on sports athletes has gained a little attention. So that's why by figuring out the effect of culture on sports athletes, we try to figure out culturally effective intervention for performance enhancement and mental health.
Hi, my name is Minhee and I'm a doctoral student, and I'm part of the emotion project team, and we investigate how different people from different cultural backgrounds judge the emotion of a person surrounded by many others. We use pictorial stimuli that has one person at the center with a smiling or frowning face, and there are about 4 or 5 other people at the background showing the same or different emotion as the central character. And this research is based on the cross-cultural literature that shows cultural differences in people's perception and attention and also cognitive styles. And we collect data from Canadian and also international data such as samples from Korea and other Asian countries.
Hello, my name is Salman. I'm from Mongolia and I'm a master's student at the UofA, and I'm a leader of the Mongolian project. And this project builds on period studies of cultural psychology, which investigated North American, Japanese, European psychological characteristics. And to widen the perspective of the cultural psychology, we choose to focus on Mongolia, which is a Central Asian nomadic herd and culture country. And for this particular project, we are collecting data from Mongolian students in contrast to Canadian students to gain some insights about their thinking styles, experiences in emotions, self-perspective, and etc. things. And we hope that data from this project help explore Mongolian psychological tendencies.
I'm Ima. I am a 4th year psychology student and I am one of the lab members in the Mongolian lab specifically. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video, and we truly hope that you've gained a deeper understanding of what this lab does, who the students are that operate within it, as well as our professor. And you can learn more about the Cultural Psychology Lab on our website as well as our YouTube channel. Thank you.